regardless of how much taxes a government collects, a fundamental requirement of a healthy society is that there exists a segment of the population that voluntarily and out of its own volition parts with its wealth to help those in need. To put it differently, if a society did try to replace all private charitable contributions with government taxes, it would risk losing our most cherished ideals, and those are individual freedom, morality, and social harmony. I will try to explain this, and I'll try to argue that in order to protect such ideals, we need to promote charity in our society. Now, we all instinctively agree with the need for compassion, for social justice, and for equality of opportunity. There is a verse in the Quran that I personally like very much. It asks, وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الْعَقَبَةُ? Do you know what the high path is? That is the path that may be difficult, but a path worth pursuing. The Quran goes on to say that that particular path is described as the freeing of a human being from every kind of bondage, as the uplifting of the suppressed and the depressed sections of the society, as providing equal opportunity to everyone regardless of racial, ethnic, national, or religious identity, as helping the orphans and the poor to stand on their own legs and become useful members of the society. A practical initiative for achieving these goals was set in motion by Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salam, who introduced Wasiyat as the charitable scheme to, quote, help such orphans, poor and needy people who do not have sufficient means of livelihood. Hazrat Muslim Maud describes it as, and I quote, to bring about conditions of equal opportunity for all. As I mentioned, everyone instinctively believes in equal opportunity. But where do we stand today on this metric of social justice? Advanced economies in the present day have vast mechanisms such as the public education system designed to level the playing